cleaning day routine. Hello and welcome to my channel. Come along with me today as I clean the house behind my fur babies, from cleaning up dog hair to vacuuming and mopping floors. I always like to make sure to wipe down the walls and the doors. I like having that fresh lavender scent throughout the house. Having 2 fur babies requires you to go that little extra step. Good space. Where you gonna go lay down at while I clean? Huh? You go lay down. Go ahead, get up there. Out the way. Come on. Out the way. Come on. My fur babies usually stay out of the way while I'm cleaning. Usually. After I sweep, I like to go back with my vacuum and vacuum the floors. Make sure I get up all those last little dust bunnies. Someone wasn't sure if he was going to sit and watch me vacuum or if he was going to move and get out of the way. I think he decided to move. Look at my fur babies. They're enjoying freshly washed bedding, and mommy is enjoying a freshly cleaned house. That concludes my day of cleaning behind my fur babies. Thanks for coming along with us today. If you enjoyed Cleaning Day Dog Mom routines, you're welcome to subscribe, and I'll see you next week.